You can be able to convert PDF to editable Word, PDF to JPG, PDF to PNG, and vice versa. So for instance, I have here on my machine, I have a PDF, final assignment PDF. So if I open it, I can't be able to edit this because you see it is a PDF. So I have been denied the access to edit this PDF. So the simple way you can be able to convert it to editable Word or any other form, it is very simple. So what you do, you head over to your preferred browser. Like here on my MacBook, I'm using Safari. So I'll open this Safari browser. And then I'm going to search this iLovePDF.com. PDF.com. Then I open it. So when I open it, it will open this platform, and you'll be able to see that here on this platform we are given a wide range of features. Like I can be able to merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, edit PDF. I can be able to edit, add text, images, shapes, etc, etc. And as well as I can be able to convert PDF to JPG, JPG to PDF as well. I can sign the PDF, I can add my own signature there. I can add a stamp or watermark on my PDF. I can rotate the PDF. So we have very many features here. So because today on our demonstration I want to show you how I can be able to convert PDF to Word, I'll head over to this option here where we have PDF to Word. I'll click on it. So it will open this page where it will tell me to select a PDF file. So I'll click there on select PDF file, and then it will have to access my storage. So because here on my storage, I'll head over to the desktop because I have saved my file on the desktop on which I want to convert, and the file was this final assignment. So I'll select it and then I'll click upload. So once I've uploaded, I'll click on convert to Word. So you tap on it and you allow the magic to be done. So it's done. It has been converted. Your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. So here I can be able to download the Word document. So I'll click on it, then I download. Then it will go to my storage here, and you can be able to see here on my storage here, it has been converted to editable Word and downloaded to my storage. So I can be able to edit it. So this one is an editable Word, and I can be able to edit this Word. You can see I can delete. You can delete, duplicate, do any kind of customization there. You see, you can delete, you can type anything. So any kind of customization you can do to your editable Word. That's it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscription button, share and like our video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.